This 5-in-1 multifunctional slicer is made to make everyday cooking feel effortless. Instead of juggling knives and endless cutting boards, you just place your ingredients inside, press down, and in seconds, everything is neatly sliced or grated. The motion feels light and smooth, and the built-in holder keeps your hands safe the whole time. What makes it even better is how clean it keeps your space. Everything falls right into the container, so there's no scattered pieces and no messy countertop. After you're done, it takes just a moment to rinse and put away. It's one of those tools that saves you time, keeps things tidy, and makes preparing a meal feel less like a chore and more like a simple part of the day. Compact and powerful. This 7-in-1 pocket lamp belongs on your keychain, in your glove box, or clipped to your bag. It's a bright LED flashlight, rechargeable work light, and emergency tool in one. With a window breaker, magnetic base, bolt driver, and red light mode for signaling. It adapts to whatever the moment needs. Rugged yet lightweight, it's perfect for camping, hiking, night drives, or unexpected situations. Confidence, light, and function, all in your pocket. When versatility meets durability, you get a tool that's ready for anything. This folding survival multi-tool is built to handle whatever the day throws at you. Whether you're out in the wild, fixing something on the go, or just like being prepared, its compact design hides serious strength, combining smart function with a rugged, matte black frame that feels solid in your hand. It opens and folds smoothly, locking into place with ease, so every task feels controlled and efficient. Whether you're slicing, tightening, or making quick adjustments, this tool keeps up without hesitation. It's light enough to carry in a pocket or pack, yet tough enough to feel like more than just a backup. It's the kind of gear you bring just in case, but find yourself using far more than you expected. From daily fixes to outdoor situations, it's ready to go when you are, and built to earn its spot in your everyday carry. Looking for a mug that's as hilarious as it is unique? This squatting, toilet-shaped ceramic mug is the ultimate conversation starter. With its playful design and surprisingly comfortable handle, it's perfect for serving coffee, tea, or even a bold smoothie. Whether you're gifting a friend or shocking your coworkers, this mug guarantees laughs with every sip. If recovery is slow or hand strength just isn't what it used to be, this glove steps in to help, literally. The automatic hand trainer gently moves your fingers for you, helping rebuild motion, strength, and coordination without causing stress or pain. Just slip it on, adjust the speed and force levels, and let the smart system guide your hand through controlled exercises. It's especially helpful for stroke recovery, post-surgery rehab, arthritis, or nerve damage. The lightweight design makes it easy to wear daily, and it's quiet enough to use while watching TV or reading. Consistent movement leads to steady progress, and this glove makes that consistency effortless. If your kid gets bored in 2 minutes, this little game might just save your day. It's a mini bowling set, but instead of rolling a ball, you're launching a frog. Yep, a frog. You press down, it jumps forward, and if you're lucky, it crashes right into the pins. It's silly, it's loud, and somehow it keeps everyone at the table entertained for way longer than expected. No batteries, no screens, just pure low-tech fun. And don't be surprised if the adults get just as competitive as the kids. For those dealing with mobility issues or long-term care, this makes daily life a little more manageable. Designed as wearable, reusable underwear, this urine collector system offers discreet support without constant supervision. The medical-grade material is gentle on the skin, while the dual side bags provide generous capacity with less frequent emptying. It's secure, comfortable, and easy to clean, giving both the wearer and caregiver a little more peace of mind throughout the day.